Hey everyone, good morning. Well, at least it's morning here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today, on Wednesday the 18th, crazy world we're living in. With everything being shut down, it's just a crazy, crazy world we're living in right now. Scary too. But today I am going to be doing a Dutch pour. I am going to do a galaxy black hole type painting with some negative space. I'm working on a 16 by 20 canvas that I purchased from Arteza, and I will be listing the link and coupon code for 15% off to Arteza products where you can purchase this canvas and other awesome artistic art paintings, all kinds of craft things that you can get from Arteza and using the coupon to get the discount, as well as other links to other items that I purchased. Let me know what you think of this finished painting in the comments. I love to read what you think about it, how it turned out. But I'm just going to go ahead and let it play and let you enjoy it. Something to watch since everybody seems to be locked in today. At least here in Las Vegas. I know there's some other places that people are told to stay indoors. So crazy. I can't even believe this is happening. But at least we can binge watch YouTube videos. So I hope you enjoy this one, and I will see you at the end. Enjoy. Well, here it is. It turned out exactly the way that I was planning. I love the way it looks. I love the colors and everything. But I would love to be able to read your comments. So please leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to check the description for my coupon codes to Arteza and links to other items that I purchase on a regular. Please be safe out there. This crazy world we're living in, we all got to be safe when we step out the door now. Please like, please subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading new videos. So, see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.